Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using two of these crates from Dollar Tree. I start by wood gluing the top rim of one of them and placing the other crate on top. I then add tape around them to keep them into place while that glue sets. I then take these 15mm half round wood beads, which I got from Amazon, and wood glue them to the bottom four corners and set that aside to let the glue set. I'm also using these 1.5-inch letters. I believe I got them from Temu, but most craft stores would have them, or Amazon. And I paint those with moss colored chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. I let the glue set for a good half an hour before I took the tape off and painted it with plaster colored chalk paint by Waverly. Now, it does say that you have to wait 24 hours for it to fully set, but usually half an hour is enough for me to at least work with it again. Once that's dry, I tape off about 1/4 inch around the top and around the bottom of the two crates. I then paint both of those strips I had taped off with the same moss color chalk paint. Next, I place my lettering down going at an angle. Once I get them set into place where I want them, I apply tacky glue to the backs of them and then put them back into place. I then take this eucalyptus pick, which I got from Walmart, and cut different pieces off of it. Add hot glue into the top crate and add in some floral foam and place in the eucalyptus. That is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.